Electrical timer. Electrical timers are devices used to control the operation of electrical equipment by turning them on or off at preset times. They are widely used in households and industries to automate lighting, heating, cooling, and other electrical appliances, promoting energy efficiency and convenience. Types of electrical timers: 1. Mechanical timers, 2. Digital timers, 3. Smart timers. Mechanical timers: these use a clockwork mechanism to control the on/off of cycles. They often have a dial and tabs or pins that can be set to the desired times. Digital timers: these use electronic circuits to control the timing and often have a digital display. They provide more precise control and additional features compared to mechanical timers. Smart timers: these are connected to a network and can be controlled remotely via a smartphone or a computer. They often integrate with home automation systems. Components of an electrical 1 timer clock keeps track of the current time. Point 2 switching mechanism turns the connected device on or off. Point 3 control interface allows the user to set the desired on/off times. Point 4 power source powers the timer's internal circuits. How to install an electrical timer: tools and materials needed: electrical timer screwdriver wire, strap, electrical taper, voltage tester. Step-by-step installation guide. Turn off power. Before starting, turn off the power to the circuit at the breaker box to ensure safety. Remove existing switch. If replacing an existing switch, remove it by unscrewing the faceplate and disconnecting the wires. 3. Prepare wires. Use a voltage tester to ensure the power is off. Strip the ends of the wires, if necessary. Point 4 restore power. Turn the power back on at the breaker box and test the timer to ensure it functions correctly. 5. Connect timer wires. Connect the timer's wires to the house wires according to the timer's manual. Typically, this involves connecting the live hot wire, neutral wire, and ground wire. Use wire nuts or connectors to secure the connections and wrap them with electrical tape. Point 6 mount the timer. Secure the timer to the wall box using screws. Setting up the timer. Mechanical timer: set current time. Rotate the dial to align the current time with the reference. Mark. Set on/off times. Push down the tabs or pins at the desired on/off times. Plug in appliance. Connect the appliance to the timer. Digital timer: set current time. Use the timer's buttons to set the current time. Program on/off times. Follow the instructions in the manual to set the desired on/off times. This usually involves entering programming mode and using buttons to set the time intervals. Connect appliance. Plug the appliance into the timer. Tips for using electrical timers: match the timer to the load. Ensure the timer's voltage and current ratings match the load of the appliance you are controlling. Regular maintenance. Periodically check the timer to ensure it is functioning correctly, and adjust the settings if necessary. Use for energy saving. Schedule appliances to operate only when needed to save energy. Troubleshooting common issues: timer not working. Check if the timer is receiving power. Ensure the correct time is set. Verify the connections are secure. Appliance not turning on/off. Check the program times. Ensure the appliance is properly connected. Test the appliance directly to rule out appliance issues. Timer losing time. For mechanical timers, check for mechanical faults. For digital timers, replace the backup battery if present. Conclusion: electrical timers are a versatile tool for automating and controlling electrical appliances. By following this guide, you can effectively install and use an electrical timer to enhance convenience and energy efficiency in your home or business. Always follow safety precautions and consult the timer's manual for specific instructions related to your model.